guys, it's Angwi. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a hair video. The hair that I'm wearing is from Nadula hair. One thing that I did want to mention in this intro is that I did not create this unit myself. The only thing that I didn't like about this unit is the part. As you guys can see, the part is like super straight. When I do my wigs, I don't do it in a straight line and I leave some hair so it like looks more natural. Don't judge the part or whatever, just look at the hair. And it's really nice and soft, and you guys will see the product that I put in it. I did not even put hairspray in this hair, and it's just really nice and like bouncy. So I would recommend this hair. And the last time I wore Nadula hair, I had their Indian straight hair, and that hair lasted me for like a whole year. I'm just gonna let you guys get onto the video, see what I did, and see my outfit. So yeah, welcome to this 2-in-1 get ready with me. So I'm starting off with my trusty argan oil of Morocco, and I'm just gonna be putting that all through the hair. I like to use this stuff before I curl my hair. I just find that it like literally rejuvenates my hair. I just find that the serum makes the hair feel really healthy and look healthy. And now I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like in its natural state. Before this whole thing, I had washed it and set it on the balcony to air dry. So this is what the body wave curls look like on their own. Now I'm going to be taking my hot comb from Walmart, and I'm just going to be using that to flatten out the top of the closure. I didn't want to use a flat iron just because I thought that the hot comb would be better. And I'm just going to be taking the hot comb and just running it through the top part of the closure only. I'm going to be curling the bottom, so I don't really need to do that, but you're just going to see me do this to the whole hair, so I'm just going to speed it up. So now that the hair is flattened, I'm just going to be taking my scissors and I'm just going to be cutting some off. I don't really know like the length I was trying to go for. I just know that I wanted it to be like shorter than usual. I'm going to put up on the screen how long the hair normally was. I think it wasn't even past 22 inches. But I always have like long hair, so I was like, I kind of want to do something different. I can't just be showing you guys the same hairstyle every time. So now after I cut off big chunks, I'm just going back with my scissors and trying to make it look as even as possible. So I'm not done with the cutting, but I decided to just go ahead and curl it first. So I always start with my flat iron towards the top, and then I use my wand and I curl the hair. And I'm just going to speed this up because you guys have seen me do this in a lot of videos. But throughout the whole curling process, I'm like not even carrying or taking chunks like correctly or like the same size. I'm just sporadically curling because the hair is already body wave and it's already like slightly curly, so I don't need to do that much to it or let like the wand stay there for a really long time. And as I'm curling, I just want you guys to take a look at the shine and luster of this hair. It's literally curling so well, and I'm not even holding the wand to it or doing it perfectly. I'm just like taking bits and pieces and just curling. This hair just has so much luster and it's so bouncy that you can see it, and it's both in part to the argan oil and the quality of the hair. So I'm just showing you what it looks like when it's curled. This is what it looks like, and I can tell that it's uneven, so I'm going to be just taking my scissors, and this time I'm going long ways just because I don't want it to look too chopped up and like too like, I don't know, like too like boxy, because when you use trimmers, like you can get a really sharp clean cut. So I just continued to do this process, and then I went to the bathroom, I did my makeup, and then I put the wig on my head, and then I decided that I wanted it to be shorter and the curls look better once I cut it a little bit shorter. And this is what the finished look and outfit turned out to be. So this is the look that I decided to go with for my hypothetical brunch date. I just kept it cute and simple, and I think that the hair really accentuates the outfit. Short length and curls is giving me very brunch.